Cute. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I know it has been a while since I have filmed a video, but we're gonna get back to it. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys my go-to brow routine. I personally love this because on the normal, aside from, you know, us being quarantined, I do have a full-time job, and there's days where I am doing my makeup, I'm rushing to get out of the house because either A, I got called in early, B, I'm just running late like always. So I just want to go ahead and still have beautiful brows, but on the go real quick. 1, 2, 3. So if you guys want to see what I do to go ahead and achieve the to-go brow look, then just go ahead and keep watching. Using my favorite ABH pomade in the shade Ebony and the Morphe R44 Duo Brush, I'm going to be taking the spoolie side and combing my brows upwards to avoid any craziness. Now, before we continue, let's count how many times I say brows in this video. Next, I'm going to be taking the angled brush to draw and shape the lines of my brows. I started at the beginning of my brow today. Other days, I will start at the tip of my brow, depending on my mood or also the amount of time I have, because your girl stays running late. If you know me, you know me. Now taking the spoolie end, I'm going to be brushing out the product so I can now define the inner beginning of my brow. Final step, I'm just defining the tip of my brow. Then I'm going to go over any areas that need one last bit of blending. Let's move on to the next brow. For brow number 2, I'm going to basically repeat everything I just did. Not identically, since they do say that brows are supposed to be sisters and not twins. So I'm drawing that line to prep for the next step. Next, I'm going to be using hair-like strokes just to fill in any empty spaces. I'm defining the beginning of my brow, and once I'm finished, I'm going to start shaping the top of my brow. I am blending out any areas that I feel need a little bit more love. Once I'm done, I do like to look at both brows to see if I need to define or blend out any other imperfections to make them, like I said, not identical, but, you know, sisters. Alright everyone, so that is how I do my quick to-go brows. This is obviously the finished outcome. I was gonna say product, but it's not a product. So, I mean, my brows aren't perfect, obviously, but this is what I like to do for the to-go brows. And you can shape them however way you want to. It doesn't have to be exactly like this, but I just, you know, I'm quickly showing you the techniques that I do to go ahead and achieve this look. And I dislike my arch because I wish this one would arch, but it doesn't, only this one. So I like the way this brow comes out all the time, and this one, it just is not the business. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. So there it is. Bye guys.